Hey you, are you single for Valentine's this year just like this guy? Hey, yo, what the f? But hey, that's okay, because in today's video we're going to be making sugar cookies. Now will these sugar cookies get you a Valentine? No one's gonna date your ugly ass. But that's perfectly okay, because these cookies will make your stomach not as lonely as you are this year. But hey, before we begin, I'm gonna need to change my outfit, because I look like a bum. Okay, to begin with the ingredients, you're going to need 2 sticks of softened butter. However, I've not softened my butter yet, so I'll show you a quick tip on how to do it really fast in just a second. So you're gonna need 2 sticks of butter, some sprinkles, pink frosting, right? Any frosting will do, sugar, and all-purpose flour. Okay, so to soften your butter, you're going to get a cup and fill it with hot water. Alright, after you get a cup of hot water, you're gonna let it sit in there for about a minute. After a minute, you're gonna spill the water out, and then you're just gonna get the cup, get the butter, then you just let it melt for about 5 minutes.
Did you know Chef Josh is wanted in 48 different states around the world?
Alright, once you got your butter, you're going to get a bowl. Okay, so once you got your bowl, you're going to get 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Okay, so you're gonna get your 1/3 of a cup of sugar and pour it right in. After that, you're going to get your softened butter. You're gonna get 1 stick and plop it right in. Nice. You're gonna put 1 stick of butter and 2 tablespoons. Then once you got your bowl of butter and sugar, you're just gonna whisk. Okay, so it should start looking like this, and once it does, you're going to add 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, and you're just gonna keep mixing. Alright, so I forgot I had an electrical mixer, but this is how your dough should start to look, right? And then it should start to have like a flour texture. But once it's done, you're gonna grab a piece and you're just gonna make a bowl with it. Once you get a bowl, you're gonna get a cooking pan and parchment paper. You're just gonna get your balls and pop it right on there. Okay, once your dough looks like this, you're going to then press it into a disc. Alright, so you're gonna put it in the oven for 15 minutes at 365 degrees. So I'll see you guys once they're done. Okay, so this is how your cookies should look like, right? But we're not done yet, because take one good look at these. Do these look like Valentine? No. So we have to make it Valentine. Okay, so you're gonna get your frosting, and then you're gonna plop it right on all the cookies. Now you could do any art you want, alright? You're unique, you're special, right? No, I'm doing old-fashioned, all the way on the cookie, alright? Oh my gosh, look at this cookie, bro. Damn! No, you stop. No, you stop. Alright, and then you could do any design you want. I made a heart. Yes, this is a heart, Timmy. Okay, this is not a... Okay, it's a heart. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. You watched my video. Thank you for watching my video.